Drone. We all know how expensive a drone is. And one of the benefits of drone insurance is that it removes the financial liability of the owner of a drone when that drone is stolen or damaged, or even if the drone damages another person's property. Drone insurance covers damages to the drone itself and damages to third party. It can cover the drone if it's stolen, and it can also cover if the drone damages a third party property or causes bodily injury to a third party. Those are some of the benefits and the cover of drone insurance. File a claim for drone insurance, send an email to claimscare@cornerstone.com.ng and they will revert to you immediately. Thank you. You can easily get the policy by visiting our website at cornerstone.com.ng, or you send a mail to enquiries@cornerstone.com.ng. Or better still, you can send a DM now. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Thank you.